snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us.
Hi guys, welcome to Vlog at the VeeHive. Well, guys, I am going to take y'all today for this Vlogmas, and we're going where? If you want to know, stay tuned. So guys, where are we going? We are going to see who everybody still asks me about, and that is my dad. My dad is in his own new apartment, so we're gonna do some out shopping first, and then I'm gonna give y'all, the apartment is not finished. I'm still doing some things in the apartment. Some of y'all, I told y'all I've been backward and forward. He lives about 2 hours away from me, so I've been backward and forward, but nevertheless, I'm gonna do your apartment. It's furnished already because we have already done that, but it's still some boxes I still got to go through and stuff. I won't be able to do that today because I got a video I got to come back home to video. So I will be taking y'all on a little tour, and then of course y'all will see my dad. So guys, if y'all want to see all of this, I will not say where he lives. He's in South Carolina, so I will not say where he lives. What else I won't say? I think that's about it. Oh, and what, of course, apartment complex he lives in. Of course, I won't be saying any of that. But anyway, guys, so we are getting ready. Baby boy is filling us up. We're on full tank of gas now. So we are getting ready to what? Lock it and drive. So I will see y'all when I pick up my dad. Who that is? Okay, everyone, Carter's Eats, that is Lisa. She talks about this type of food: pig ears, chicken feet, this is pigtails, no thank you. And I think also I'm gonna see, this is the pig's stomach, hog mogs. Guys, I could not eat this stuff. No Lord, no Lord. Then she did a video on fried pig ears. So this is pig's ear. So I wanted to show you guys. This is some of the things that I've heard some YouTubers talk about, but unfortunately I cannot eat this stuff. Guys, let me tell you, these people in this store is so disrespectful. It is called 6 Feet. I looked back and it was like 20 people standing right around me. I was like, oh heck no, I'm not trying to get Rona, because Rona is not my friend. I mean, get back. And I'm in South Carolina too? No. I can give it to them, y'all. They got these shelves stacked in the store. Let me let y'all look. I mean, stacked to perfection. Look at that, y'all. I mean, I don't eat canned goods, but stacked to the perfection. And look at Daddy riding in his Cadillac. Okay, so now, this is something that hubby is cooking, y'all. These are ribs, so, mister, what you doing?
Well, I'm cooking pork ribs here. Just something wanted to cook some ribs because I just had a taste for it. Just basic ingredients I put in there. I got like the ground mustard, regular yellow mustard, barbecue sauce, and just basic ingredients inside, and a secret recipe. Also, I'm not telling that.
So y'all, I come in home from my travel and found him cooking this. So he said mustard and all of that stuff, and yeah. So, and y'all, he got both of my pans. So, yeah, guys, I come home to this man here cooking. So now he's putting aluminum foil in it. So you're gonna bake it or grill it?
I'm gonna bake it. I'm not gonna grill it because it's too late to grill.
All right.
And got no light out there. But next time I'll grill it.
We got light. You just want to go up there on the top of the second portion of our house to put that thing up there. Y'all, it's so far up there. And y'all, when y'all doing the best, Renner's Wrap. Don't get that cheap stuff.
Amen.
We use it all the time for the air fryer, y'all. And guys, it just helps.
Cheap for it, just don't do it.
And make sure you don't have all that extra.
Make sure you want to get it sealed airtight. That way all the cooking ingredients and all that will just simmer inside and just give it more flavor.
And yes, y'all, my oven is clean. It is a self-cleaning stove, and it is clean.
Got to have a clean oven when you're cooking.
You don't never clean it. I do that. Or better yet, I set it and it cleaned it itself. So now how long you going to sit here and let them cook?
About 2 to 3 hours.
Okay, y'all, so. He's going to kill me. Y'all see what I look like? I ain't trying to front girlfriend in ponytail. Hi guys, so I did not take y'all to my dad's apartment. This is a whole different day, and I am in Savannah, Georgia. Yeah, so I am downtown Savannah now. So I've just saw Urban Outfitters. I'm looking at Navy. Gap. So I'm kind of like going to show y'all what I see. Believe it or not, we had to drive all the way down here for what? Our bank. So while we're down here, we'll do a little bit of Christmas shopping. We bank with Chase. And yeah, we had to drive 2.5 hours to come to Chase. That's crazy. Chase Bank. JP Morgan, I'm sorry. Can we get a closer bank, please? So this is some of downtown, and this is where we had to come to, Chase Bank. So this is what downtown Savannah kind of like look like. It didn't say I can't turn. They got roly-poly. Tessie. His umbrella can call it. Okay, so find us a thing to go back to what's my code.
Turn left onto Jefferson. West Oglethorpe Avenue.
As long as I don't keep me putting me on that bridge, you good. Turn where? Huh?
Turn right onto West Oglethorpe Avenue, then turn left onto Martin Luther King Jr. Boulevard.
Okay, I want to insert, this is the bridge that I am talking about that is located in Savannah, Georgia. Guys, I am so sorry. I am not driving on this bridge. No way, no how, not in this lifetime.
We gotta go back over that bridge. I guess we can make this our home. Shit. Ow. That's Chevron though. Okay, where we going from here?
Turn left onto Martin Luther King Jr. Boulevard.
Thank you. Where the hell that bridge at? Charles, you gotta go back over that bridge, honey. You gonna see your mama do this in. We're gonna slam on down bricks. I'm gonna do some kind of rerouting because, honey, hey, baby girl, baby boy, I ain't taking my ass on that.
Okay, well, I think that bridge is for because of Georgia and South Carolina is right there. So that's what I think that bridge is for.
I don't want to know nothing about it as long as I ain't got to go and I'm good. Check. Okay, y'all trying to do beat our red lights out and back down.
I'm not glad to go straight, we'd be screwed.
That bridge?
Mm-hmm.
Is she at?
Yeah, that bridge is straight and then it wraps around.
First they gotta stop getting on a 30-day tag.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto the I-16 West Trail to make it.
Turn what?
Turn I-16 up here.
Turn right?
Yes, ma'am.
Damn, something over there as well. Me looking around trying to figure out where the hell that bridge is. What road we turning left on? I mean right.
No, it's like towards the interstate, so I'm looking straight. It's not the city interstate.
How far are we? Because I want to go around this road.
1 mile,
Oh, go around this road. Wait a minute.
like that.
Turn right onto the I-16 West Trail.
Shit. Thought I had more time than that. I don't know.
Quarter mile, merge onto I-16 West.
I was thinking you were saying 1.1 miles. That's my fault. My